What's up, everybody? So recently our family upgraded to a water dispenser from Brita's pitcher filter. If you want to see my review for the pitcher filter, check the description of the video and you'll find the link in there. So here it is. This is the Ultra Max filtering dispenser. It is made of a PBA free plastic and holds about 18 cups or 1.13 gallons of water. What I like about the dispenser is that it has a spigot, which makes pouring easily, aside from the fact that it holds more water. And the dispenser actually occupies about the same space as the water pitcher filter occupied in the refrigerator. What I also like about the dispenser is that the parts are easy to clean. Everything comes apart pretty easily. You'll notice that the top half is hinged and it folds back, and that's how you refill the water in the dispenser. This one's compatible with both the standard and the long last Brita filters. I just use the standard ones. I was refilling this one much less often because it holds a higher capacity of water compared to the pitcher. But that also comes with some downsides. Since it carries more water, it's also heavier to transport to the refrigerator when it's full. And because it holds more water, you have to fill that reservoir area twice in order to get full capacity. Other things you might not like would be the small carrying handles at the top. They're just not the most comfortable to work with, but they work. I was reading some reviews on Amazon. Some people mention that the filter can be tricky to insert. If you don't fully insert it, the water is going to flow through fast and thus not filtering. So firmly insert that filter in there. You also have to make sure that the filter is inserted correctly. There are about 4 slits on the side of the filter. You have to line up the deepest one with that wedge that you'll see on the inside of the dispenser. We didn't buy the dispenser that has that electronic timer on it. This one came with a sticker system that helps you remember when to change the filter, but it's not very helpful in my opinion. I just open up a note in Google Keep and I list on there the date that I replaced the filter. Other things some people complained about on the Amazon reviews was about the spigot. Aside from this one time where it was at full capacity and I pressed the spigot and it squirted about a couple of drops of water out of it. Other than that, the spigot works really well. I haven't had other issues with it. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this purchase, and I recommend this one over the pitcher filter because it looks a little bit more sleek, it holds more water, it's easier to pour out the water. Another downside that I forgot to mention is that more people will start using this, so you're gonna have to refill it more often, pretty much.